We interrupt this program to activate the Eugene-Lane County Operational Area Emergency Alerting System at the request of the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the coast of Oregon, starting at 12:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:46 p.m., a large earthquake, measuring a magnitude of 8.9 has been reported on the coast of eastern Japan. Arrival time for the first in series of tsunami waves are estimated for the following locations: Astoria, Oregon, 7:12 a.m. Coos Bay, Oregon, 7:15 a.m. Seaside, Oregon, 7:24 a.m. A tsunami warning means that a tsunami threat is imminent, and coastal communities should prepare for flooding. If you are near the ocean or in low-lying areas, move to higher ground immediately. The tsunami will continue for several hours, and the first wave may not be the largest. Again, a tsunami warning for the coast of Oregon at 12:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service is currently monitoring the situation and will update the public every hour or sooner as conditions warrant.